Southern fried chicks. Ingredients: 1 pound andouille sausage, sliced. 1 pound chicken thighs, boneless and skinless, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 large onion, diced. 1 green bell pepper, diced. 2 celery stalks, diced. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 can diced tomatoes. 4 cups chicken stock. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup vegetable oil. 2 bay leaves. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Salt and pepper, to taste. Cooked white rice, for serving. Instructions. 1. Add the frankfurter and cook until seared, around 5 minutes. 1. Eliminate the frankfurter with an open spoon and put it away. 2. Add the chicken to the pot and cook until caramelized, around 5 minutes. 2. Eliminate the chicken with an open spoon and put it away. 3. Add the onion, green ringer pepper, celery, and garlic to the pot. 3. Cook until the vegetables are delicate, around 10 minutes. 4. Sprinkle the flour over the vegetables and mix to join. 4. Cook for an additional 5 minutes. 5. Add the chicken stock, diced tomatoes, with their juice, clove leaves, thyme, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper to the pot. 5. Heat to the point of boiling, then, at that point, lessen intensity and stew for 30 minutes. 6. Add the sausage and chicken back to the pot and simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. 7. Serve hot cooked white rice. Jambalaya. Jambalaya is another Louisiana dish that is similar to paella. It typically contains meat, vegetables, and rice, and is flavored with spices and herbs.